Elgato has been taking full advantage of the current state of things. The fact that so many people are gravitating towards the streamer lifestyle. I mean, everybody's streaming right now.
Yes.
Did you know that? You're streaming, I'm streaming, Kirk's streaming, everybody's streaming.
Yeah.
And sitting
it's
at
a new lifestyle.
It is. It's like a whole.
Right
it's a whole culture. It's like everybody's expected to do such a thing now. Well, there's all these potential accessories you need to do such a thing, right? Whether it's microphone arms or Stream Deck. You're tapping a Stream Deck right now. Don't even lie, Will. Don't try to play it off.
I am.
You love
That's
that
how
thing.
The show runs.
That's your favorite accessory right now.
It's fun.
See?
It's satisfying.
See what I mean?
The chiclet.
Let me ask you something. What's more important to you in this show, the Stream Deck or the mouse?
Oh gosh. The mouse.
Okay, all right.
I can navigate.
Elgato wanted to hear the opposite, but all right.
I know.
Okay.
But it's very important as well.
No, you love them both. Listen, Will's hand never leaves that Stream Deck. I look over there, I see his hand. He's gently caressing the Stream Deck. Anyway, they're launching all these. I love purpose-built gadgets. Like it's for a thing, and you don't have to. I also like a DIY here and there, but it's kind of nice when it's all put together. So they've had the key lights, they've had the mounts, they've had the Stream Deck.
Of products, eh?
They have.
I thought it was just the Stream Deck.
No, man, they've been adding all kinds of things to this, and that's actually what this particular article is about. They have now added that light strip, an LED light strip, to set the mood with the ambience. And yeah, you can see how it has just the glow. You just stick it to the back of the desk. You guys set the mood. Will's part of the stream. You understand? Not everybody has the purple fireplace that you have in the background.
No.
So this is a new product. They got the light strip, and then they also got the sound panels. By the way, the light strip's RGB. Pick your color. Yeah. Now they got these sound panels as well, as you see over there in the back.
These things.
Yeah, to improve the audio performance of your space, acoustic treatment foam, which looks cooler than some of the generic foam that you get. I think it's going to be a big seller for that.
That's a nice little pattern there.
I think some people will like it. Now, they got to charge a premium for it because it is so purpose-built. You can stick them to the wall with adhesive, or I believe you can use a wall anchor as well. Look at this. Well, look at this. Okay, that's kind of nice. Look at the guy, too. He's streaming.
Yeah, no drilling holes. It's just stickers.
You love it.
And it seems like is it wireless?
What you mean wireless?
No.
These are just acoustic foam. Those just acoustic foam.
Never mind.
You thought it was a whole speaker? Oh, light up.
For some reason, I thought they light up.
Wow, Willie Doo's just expecting too much over here.
The light strips and this.
Yeah, it's just an acoustic foam. Yeah. It's not cheap by acoustic foam standards. It's $100 for 6 panels and mounts.
Sure.
But if the decor really matters and it's part of your set and you're trying to have a cool stream environment, then you may pay that premium for a package that's a little easier to get set up and a little more clean looking at the end of it. So anyway, whatever. Shout out Elgato.